Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Tuesday, guys. How's everyone doing today? Appreciate you guys for joining. Smash the like button on your way in. How's everyone doing? I have seen better days. Not doing too hot, but I am alive. Hey, how you guys doing? Happy Tuesday. It is a happy Tuesday indeed. Market seems to be recovering, actually, in some nice recovery mode. Let's really quick. Bitcoin's currently trading at 87,649. Let's update our liquidation heat map and see what has changed. We got a spicy long liquidation earlier, $127 million without a cascade to the downside. That's promising. Let's zoom in here. Not too far, though. Let's zoom into our little range. Let's see. We got a lot of liquidity, 89,179. Okay, let me change this to green and put it at 2. And then we got, I'll just go to the top because we know this is a big range, 90,146. Okay. And then down below, we got 86,631. And then we got, I'll go down here, 85,313. Also representing Detroit. Very nice. Let's see. Let me check the chat really quick. Fahid said first. Hoff said, you took my thumbnail advice. Yes, I did, actually. That was a good idea. We're going to talk about those coins as well, because I'm pretty sure that those are the ones that they're also going to name on the strategic reserve, if I had to guess. My educated guesstimate. Philly said, oh, what do I do? What's going on, Philly? I hope you're feeling better, my friend. I am not. But, I'm just sick. I don't have it as bad off as you do. Ugh. Hoff said, I'm predicting mid-May. Billy said, JJ, why does it look like you're sucking an invisible dick in your thumbnail? That's the meme face. It's the meme face. Hang on. Oh, I was watching Becker. Let's see. I gotta go to my really old streams. But if you look right, the really, really, really old streams before I did my face reveal. Hang on, almost. Gosh, I use that green guy a lot. Right here, it's this face. Can I zoom in? I can. Let's go. Okay. Oh shoot, where did it go now? This face right here. Where he's like, oh, because the market's pumpy. We got a meme, man. We're degens after all. All right. Oh gosh, what the hell was that? All right. Bitcoin's currently trading at 87,557. Fahid said, let's hope those tariffs roll back and end for good so we can cheer the U.S. national anthem again. Giovanni said, what's up? Debating throwing paycheck money into Ondo or Chainlink. I like both of those options personally. Hoff said, Trump Pump episode tonight at 9 p.m. Philly said, what date was show number 1? My first live stream? I think it was at the butt end of September. Honestly, I did my 12-hour very early on, and I feel like that was beneficial. Because we got a lot of subscribers when we did that. Look at how bad my thumbnails used to be. Look at it. It just says 5 months ago. Oh, September 25th. Yep, the butt end of September. September 25th was my first official live stream. We only got 3 likes on that video. 28 views. We killed it, man. It was only 13 minutes. Did it like mess up? What happened? Why was it only 13 minutes? It must have rugged or something. 13 minutes seems kind of silly. I don't know. I do not know. That's funny. All right. Bitcoin's up 1.41% on the day. ETH is actually lagging a little bit. It's almost up 1% though. Nice little green candle, $2,169.98. Looking good. Sol, nice recovery, 1.79%. I want to get back above the purple trend line, above 150. But Sol's looking good. I can't believe it retraced that entire pump. Total 3 is up 2.44%. Beautifully following the White Buffalo fractal. Very nice. We're very excited for the White Buffalo fractal. Baby Vance NFTs. Dude, the Vance pictures are killing me. That shit is so funny. Cardano is up 9.29%. Guys, Cardano hardly lost. Like, it retraced a significant amount of its pump, but it did not lose the whole thing, which is crazy. I don't know. And I guess it makes sense because Cardano was the lowest market cap out of the 3 coins that were mentioned. So it makes sense that it would catch up. It does technically have some catching up to do, if we're being honest. And SNEK is also up 9% today. Looking good. I would like to see Cardano reclaim above $1 at least, and then continue the bullish sentiment. But honestly, this gigantic, like, violent whiplash move up, and then the little retest, the bullish retest of the trend line is pretty exciting. But yeah, SNEK's looking good. Cardano's looking good. XRP is looking good as well. XRP also sustained most of its move. At least if you measure, I guess if you measure from the exact bottom, none of them really lost their whole move. Like, Sol got close. So, I don't know. And most people they were probably, if we're being totally real, people were probably selling down here. They're probably like, this sucks, it's over. They sold, and then it poked up, and then they're like, shit. And then they watched this, and then they probably bought, like, right here. They were like, damn it, I missed the move. And then it went more, and they were like, yes, I'm a genius. And then it went, and then they were like, F you, Mr. President. It's his fault that I FOMO'd at the top. HBAR is up 6.92%. HBAR also hardly retraced yesterday. But again, I think that if you measure that, the pump from the actual date, it was probably like right here-ish. So technically it did probably retrace the whole thing. It just didn't pump as much as other things. But HBAR is another one that I'm expecting to be on the list. I have the list actually pulled up for us to go through. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. We got the daily close contest coming up in approximately 18 minutes, I think. Nope. 28 minutes. SWE is down 3.57%. SWE actually made a new local low. Interesting. Found some support at 223, point of interest, and then it got back above 250. Want to see it close above 250. SWE is actually surprisingly bearish here. Very interesting. Ondo is down 2.28%, currently trading at 95 cents. Ondo, I don't know if I don't know if Ondo is on the list. That's hard to say. But it's currently trading at 96 cents, holding above 95. Psychological point of interest. I want to see it hold that, honestly. I thought it was going to recouple, and it did not. It just kind of declined the recoupling offer. Aerodrome looks like doo-doo. This thing retraced its entire pump and then some. So it's making new lows, not looking that great. Render's down 4.8%. Lost $4 again. And technically set a new low with its candle closes. So Render's kind of in the gutter at the moment. We do have a inverse head and shoulder potential on the RSI, which may point to some overbought scenario coming up pretty soon here. Not financial advice. Something to keep an eye on, though. Polkadot is down 3.6%. Polkadot is made in USA. So Polkadot may be mentioned in this, depending on how many coins they intend to include in this list. Polkadot could also be on there. Polkadot also setting new lows with the candle body close, but another potential inverse head and shoulders on the RSI. This actually also has a really nice clean neckline as well. Billy said, what date was show number one? Pete said Baby Vans NFTs. Dude, that would be so funny. What would be even funnier is if he came out and did that. I doubt he ever would, but just imagine. Like, if the guy wants a good approval rating, you gotta embrace the satire. That shit's funny. Literally both sides are doing it. It's hilarious. It's fun. He kind of looks like a baby. You gotta be self-aware when you look like a baby. It's just, be honest with yourself. Hoff said, holy crap, 6 months soon. Yep. Billy said 3 likes. You're lucky you got that. Hoff said it's effectively still up 40%. Yeah, Ada's killing it, man. Philly said, there you go again, talking about my daily clothes. Hoff said, it's as annoying when you voice text clothes normally comes up. I'm sure there's some kind of weird command that no one's aware of to like make it switch the word. Like if you're saying there, or there. Sheena Mac said woolly NFT. Is that on Cardano? I'll go check that out. It's been a while since I've looked at NFTs besides SNEKs. That would be fun. Polkadot should be on the list of made in USA coins though. I believe it's last in like the top 10 maybe. So it really depends on how many coins they're going to include in the reserve. Caspa making new local lows, not looking great, but we do have a tweezer bottom, which is usually a bullish sign of a reversal. So we'll see if that turns into anything. Shannon Max said, "I'm gonna make one." Okay, let me know when you launch. I'll take a look at it. Or I guess let me see the art. I usually buy the NFTs if I like the art, and it's worked out for me. I don't ape into NFTs every single launch, which sometimes that's hurt me. I've had my mouse cursor hovering over the buy button to mint like a $50 NFT, and I was like, nah. And I had the money at the time. I could have just thrown the money away. And I shit you not, like a week later, they were selling for like 15 grand. I was so pissed. That is probably my biggest missed opportunity in crypto. Now, I feel like I've recouped those losses with crypto specifically, but it still sucks. Imagine making 15K out of $50 with a freaking NFT. That would have been so sick. So there's good and bad to it. I haven't lost thousands of dollars. I am net positive on NFTs, but I've only bought a handful of NFTs in the past 4 years. So I'm very selective about it. Avalanche is down 4.68%. I really want to see Avalanche get back above this orange trend line around $22. So at the moment, it's really lagging. I think, honestly, if Avalanche gets announced in this strategic reserve, I think it's going to go crazy. You got some bearish div on the RSI right now, though. Bearish divergence pointing at continued downside for the price, continued upside for the RSI. Let's see, is this trend line just change? I really want pizza. Can you eat pizza when you're sick? Is that like a thing? It's probably stupid. Hop said, I have no idea where half my NFTs are. I think I lost access to my MetaMask. I can't find my seed phrase, and it's not on my new laptop. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking for Avalanche to finally start to wake up, maybe, if it's announced on that strategic reserve, which we find out on Friday. Shrapnel, man. Shrapnel is just in a forever downtrend. It does look like it's starting to let up a little bit. Let me go to the higher time frame. Make it a little bit fair. Yeah, see, here's my concern, is we've seen this, where it dumps violently, it lets up a little bit, and then it gets some forgiveness, and then it dumps violently, lets up a little bit. Is it going to get some forgiveness again? That's very possible. Waterfly said, yes, you can eat real pizza, not that Michigan weird shit. Bro, you have no idea. I can't even pull up pictures because it'll show where I live. Like, if I Google it, it says Jets Pizza in blank, 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 blank. And I'm like, oh, great. Yeah, see, I have my location turned off, and it just says results for your exact town that you live in. And I'm like, great. Man. How you gonna talk crap about that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so good. All right, stop. I'm looking at charts. This is a crypto channel, Waterfly. Philly said, I don't get it. I'm not being sarcastic, but why do people buy what is essentially a JPEG? It's like a collectible. It's the same thing as buying Pokemon cards. You're basically buying a piece of cardboard with ink on it. That's literally all it is. Why do people buy paintings? It's a piece of canvas with paint on it. You can put canvas and paint together yourself. You're perfectly capable of that. I have my I have my phone in my drawer, and my drawer has like a little hinge door, and I didn't realize I shut it, and I went to go open it, and I opened it, and the phone was just on it. That was kind of funny. Okay. Hop said you're supposed to have chicken noodle soup. My fiance is bringing me home, so. Waterfly said yes, you can eat pizza. Hoff said and drink flat Sprite. Isn't it just water? Billy said Michigan's pizza is made with dough and ketchup. Hoff said we have that pizza here. I've never tried it. If you get it, you have to get the deep dish. Do not get the regular round pizza. A lot of people mess up and get the round pizza from Jets. I've never even tried the round pizza from Jets. But the BLT pizza, oh my gosh. Don't try the BLT pizza first because you'll be mad. There's no sauce. It's a weird pizza. But it kind of goes into the same argument where you guys are like, oh, you have to get the meatball sub. Talking about a sub shop. You're supposed to get a sandwich, not meatballs. Billy said, Hops, that was my high school girlfriend's nickname. What? Flat Sprite? That's kind of funny. All right. Chainlink is actually up 2.63% on the day. Let me go back down to the 4-hour. So Chainlink's looking pretty decent. Chainlink is also a made in USA coin, so I'm fully expecting this to be on the list. Beautifully, I mean, the pattern on Chainlink is just flawless. I should be trading this, if I'm being completely honest. I should have traded this all the way. Like, the reason why it's so messy and why there's so many lines here is because they all have a ton of confluence. There's going to be resistance, overhead resistance here pretty soon. I would love to see Chainlink just completely dismiss that, retest, and continue. That would be sick. Doge is down less than 1%, but it is down. Retraced its entire pump. So Doge is kind of doing a little dance. It is a higher low though, so Doge isn't looking too awful at the moment. I apologize if I'm quiet today, guys. I got the mic pretty close to my face, but I can't talk loud. My throat is messed up. I'm super sick, and I don't get sick. This is like my once every 5 years sick, and I don't know what's going on. It hurts though. Waterfly said, I just drank 32 ounces of jungle juice. No way I'm going to fall asleep. Hoff said, what the F is that, Waterfly? Waterfly said Kool-Aid, but non-name brand. Okay, I thought you were actually talking about actual jungle juice. Billy said, oh, dollar store Kool-Aid. Sure. But yeah, Doge looking good with the higher low. So Doge showing some strength there, even though it rejected off of the pink trend line. We'll see if it makes another run for it. Potential double bottom setup here on all these alts, which is nice. Polygon Matic Pole down 2.59%. This is not looking good. Lower low. You had a W potential here, and it just rejected off of the orange trend line, and it's now setting that lower low. But we've seen it before where this is actually the W, so that would be cool. Next stop, we want to see it break above this orange trend line resistance and continue trading from there. NEAR is down 5.48%. NEAR is also setting new local lows, lower low. So it's not looking good for NEAR either. But if you go by the RSI, you do have 3 hits to the downside. So I would like to see that play out and actually turn into a pump. I guess that could be a trend line. I'll leave it there. It's messy, but I'll leave it there. Chili's is actually up 2.8%. It did set lower low, but it got a nice bounce off of this green legacy trend line. Very nice. Look at that. God, my throat hurts. Throat hurts so bad. So Chili's. Whoa. Whoa. Holy crap. Wow, what a pattern. Chili's is sitting at the bear market lows, which is still significantly higher from its original breakout back in 2020, which is actually really nice. But bear market lows, man, you're looking at a potential good buy opportunity if it holds up. Not financial advice. But yeah, I want to see it get back above this orange trend line around 5 cents. 5.7 cents. Silver got a little bit pumpy today. MicroStrategy got a lot of bit pumpy today. Beautiful W on this. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the tariff fractal? The DXY got a lot of bit dumpy today. NASDAQ got a little bit pumpy today. And the S&P got a little bit dumpy today. Damn. I did not think that the tariff fractal was going to look that bad. What happened? I got a little cocky and I was wrong. Wow. I'm never wrong. Okay, so maybe let me take this then. Let's double down and grab this fractal. Nope. I don't even think I can stretch it out enough. Yeah, there we go. That's fine, right? If I go all, can you imagine? Can you imagine if the stock market was this sideways for like Trump's entire presidency? Oh my gosh, people would be pissed. Maybe that's what needs to happen though. Put all the money in crypto. Dude, I'm so kind of excited about how mad the Bitcoin maxis are about altcoins being included in the crypto reserve. They're like, this is beyond ridiculous. They're so mad. What if I said I don't quite understand NFTs? It's a collector's thing. An NFT is literally a Pokemon card, which I actually have my Pokemon cards somewhere around here. I'll show off my Pokemon cards one day on stream. So we got that potential, and we also got this potential. I'm not going to shift the tariff fractal quite yet. I'll leave it where it's at. Let me zoom back in. I'm going to make this really transparent because it's really distracting. Yeah, but we'll leave it there. Maybe make it a little bit less transparent. I'll make it 5%. 5% is good. All right. So yeah, the tariff fractal's kind of in shambles at the moment. How do you have a tariff fractal? I just grabbed it from back here. Like once this dump started happening. And we were looking for a reversal right here. But we did not get it. So that's the current state of the tariff fractal. Not looking that great. The ass fractal was beautiful performance. Don't forget to pay your respects for the ass fractal. Bitcoin dominance currently trading at 61.3%. Nice green candle followed by a red candle, which we would love to see get larger. Bitcoin currently trading at 87,344, up 1.3%. Looking good. ADA up 10%. SNEK up 9.7%. Sol up 2%. XRP up 3%. And Ethereum up 1%. Nice. We got some news articles to go through. Really quick. Hoff said, nothing burns me up more than Pokemon cards being worth more than my baseball cards. I think you'd have to have the right baseball cards. You know what bums me out? I was a super diehard Pokemon guy. And then I was more mature. I was like, I don't like Pokemon anymore. I like Yu-Gi-Oh! And I started collecting Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards. And I took it way more serious. And I'm grown up now. When I realized, I'm like, oh, I should check out how much my Pokemon cards are worth. My brain, I was like, my Yu-Gi-Oh cards are going to be worth so much more because Yu-Gi-Oh was way more popular and way more cool. And I scanned them, and I shit you not, my Pokemon cards that I did not take serious were worth like 8 or 9K. My Yu-Gi-Oh cards, all of my Yu-Gi-Oh cards combined, were worth like $300 or $400. That like was the biggest take the wind out of your sails gut punch, like reality slapping me in the face moment. It was freaking funny. I was like, damn, Yu-Gi-Oh sucks. Mr. Roberts said, hey JJ, hello good people. I keep getting pulled back into the stream while I'm in the workshop. Nice. Cheers. Guys, smash the like button on your way in. It really helps the channel. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, I don't know, by the end of March. How about this? Let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. My birthday is in April. It's at the end of April. And we'll do a fun birthday stream if we can make 1,000 subs. All right, we got some news articles to go through really quick. Michael Saylor tweeted, posted on X, I have been invited to the Digital Assets Summit at the White House this Friday, hosted by the president. And then we got Watcher Guru posting, just in, BlackRock says if every millionaire in the U.S. asked their financial advisor to get them 1 Bitcoin, there wouldn't be enough. Think about it. Supply and demand, guys, supply and demand. And then look at Chad, just buying it. Next, we got Arkham posting, Lazarus has now fully laundered the proceeds of the Bybit hack. They have transferred 500,000 Ethereum mainly to native Bitcoin. Thorchain has processed over 5.5 billion in volume since Bybit was hacked on the 21st of February. So there you have it, Philly. Apparently it's really easy to launder money. Watcher Guru also posted, Justin, U.S. Secretary of Commerce says Trump may roll back tariffs on Canada and Mexico tomorrow. That's going to be enormous for the market. If the president rolls back tariffs, which are priced in now, it is going to explode every market. The bull market for everyone. Now, I don't know if this is kind of like a fake out kind of scenario to springboard launch everything into like crazy bull town, but I totally like it. And maybe this was the point. Maybe this was legit the point. Maybe he came out swinging and everyone was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. And then he like settled down and then he started talking and everybody paid attention to him. Maybe that's the point. Big theatrics at first, everyone freaks out, but they're all paying attention now. And then he's like, all right, let's talk. Let's make a deal. Maybe that's the plan. That kind of seems like a genius plan, not going to lie. If it works out, I'm going to be super stoked. Next, we got Trump administration proposes selling 443 federal properties, including FBI and Department of Justice headquarters. Interesting. Just in, U.S. and Ukraine to sign minerals deal. This one's also very exciting. I'm not sure what it's going to do for us, but I'm sure it'll be great for the economy and great for the conflict over there. Very exciting. Another piece of news for Off the Grid, actually, which is built on the Guns Network, which is a Avalanche Layer 2. Insight. Play Off the Grid has released a Damn Fire update, bringing gameplay improvements and a new playable area for its 4.9 million players. Web3 Gamer via Cointelegraph magazine. We're definitely going to have to check this out. It's been a minute since I've played Off the Grid, and a new map sounds awesome. And then last but not least, we got an interesting list that I actually want to reference after the daily close and maybe go through it, see if we can make some picks, maybe make a third portfolio, like one coin per category here. We got top 5 crypto narratives shaping 2025. Number 1, AI-powered agents in DeFi. AI-powered agents will transform crypto. From autonomous trading to on-chain financial strategies, AI agents like Fetch AI and Coinbase's Based Agent will revolutionize decentralized finance. 2. Tokenized real-world assets, RWAs. Tokenizing real-world assets like real estate and treasuries will bridge TradFi and DeFi. This could unlock a $2 to $16 trillion market by 2030. Number 3. U.S. crypto regulations. 2025 could be the year for stablecoin regulation in the U.S. Expect clearer framework for fuel institutional adoption. Number 4. Altcoin-based and staked crypto ETFs. Crypto ETFs are expanding. Expect staked asset ETFs to combine decentralized yields with traditional finance, attracting billions in inflows. And finally, number 5, Memecoins, the resilient crypto cockroaches. Damn, that's harsh. Memecoins, once jokes, now major players despite volatility. Their strong communities and viral growth makes them a unique force in crypto. So we'll reference this later for sure. I'm super excited actually to check that out. We also got the Made in USA coin list. Let me go back to Bitcoin, currently trading at 87,339 and 40 cents. And let me check the chat. Waterfly said, bet you don't. 866 max subs. You're on, Mr. Waterfly. You are on. WF Capital Reese said, I'm alive. Back from 1 month in Dominican. That was definitely something else. Living with the people. That's badass. Welcome home, WF Capital. Welcome back to the channel. Philly said, WF awesome. By yourself or with a girlfriend? Mr. Roberts said, hey, Philly, LOL. Because earlier, Philly said, happens to me. I keep trying to close the stream. Nothing works. Hoff said, Zelensky could be backing down too. I mean, there's definitely some negotiation tactics happening. I don't think that Trump's coming out swinging and then being like, I'm sorry, and undoing everything that he just did. That would be dumb. That's very not Trump. Philly said, Hoff's no way. Zelensky is a stubborn ass. I think that both of them need to sign the deal, so it's definitely not like Zelensky's not being stubborn. Maybe it's a compromise on both ends. Hoff said, reportedly, he said he regretted the exchange at the White House. He did say that. I actually saw that. He said it was regrettable. WF Capital said, my buddy, no GF here, bro. Too busy. Just have fun said, yo, bye. Bye, then. I guess bye. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button on your way in. I appreciate you guys for joining. Smashing the like button helps me out a lot. Share the stream with your like-minded friends. Or not, if you're trying to introduce people to crypto. We're more than happy to help anybody out if they got any questions in the chat. As much as we joke around, we try our best to take things seriously when things need to be taken seriously. And new people need to be taught how to do things correctly from somebody who's actually been in the market. You know what I mean? I don't know. We got a good group. All right. We got 3 minutes until the daily close contest. Really quick, let's go over the top coins made in USA. We'll reference this after the daily close contest too. But number 1, this is what I'm assuming was what based the tweet the other day. XRP, Sol, and Cardano are the top 3 made in USA coins by market cap, besides Circle, which is a freaking stable coin. So it makes sense. XRP, Sol, and ADA were on there. Apparently number 12 is Pi Network. Never heard of this damn thing. The chart looks like crap. If it looks like this, at one point it looks like it probably should have been number 1. But sure, whatever. Is this sorted by market cap? It is. Okay. So then I guess we got HBAR, Chainlink, XLM, Avalanche, SWE, Litecoin, Polkadot, and Uniswap. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so Litecoin is number 10. Polkadot just barely doesn't make the cut for top 10. Ondo is in there, see? Algorand. It's going to be interesting to see what they pick. Now, what the hell is Pi Network? Ecosystem designed for widespread accessibility and real-world utility. It enables users to mine and transact Pi using mobile-friendly interface while supporting applications built within its blockchain ecosystem. That doesn't sound legit. All right, let's get down to our 1-minute chart for the daily close contest we got coming up in less than 1 minute now. Perfect timing. Get your guesses ready. If you are unfamiliar with the rules, let me know and I will go over them for you. Otherwise, I'm going to assume that you've been here before and you know how it goes. WF Capital said, what you been up to? We got to get on the damn game for a good old stream. Oh, hell yeah. Billy said JJ is all the crashing simply because of just the tariffs. No, it's probably because of the Ukraine stuff too. There's a bunch of stuff going on in the world that's like bullish and bearish, but people are de-risking essentially is what's happening because they think the economy is not going to go great. But Reese, there was a hard reset on the server actually, so everything's gone. We're gonna have a clean wipe, like new characters and everything. Big update. So it's gonna be fun actually. Me and Liz are excited to get in. All right. Oh no. It happens, man. It was fun. We got in just a week ago and we worked our way to one of the big military camps, but then we called it a night. There was a ton of shots though. But yeah, usually people figure out when the wipe happens and they'll get on like the day before and they just go out guns blazing. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, it sets a clean slate. There's probably gonna be a bunch of new stuff in the game that we're not familiar with as well. My beard is out of control right there. We got 20 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. The daily close contest has begun. So get your guesses in. We got less than 4 minutes remaining officially. And we currently have 0 submissions. The daily close contest is now taking submissions. There we go. We got Fahid. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. We got 18 people watching here and only 9 likes. That's 50%. That's a bad ratio. I'm so excited for dinner. I don't know what I'm going to eat. Everyone's going to tell me that I need to eat chicken noodle soup. You know, my fiance told me that I can't eat cereal because the milk is going to make me all phlegmy and stuff. Guess what I just had? I had a bowl of cereal. Digi has arrived. Guys, everybody bow down to Digi, the Cornerville Chad, the king of Cornerville. What a legend. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, Alan. I almost erased half your name. 87, 35, 91, 87, 33. Okay, so this goes above. This goes way below. Okay. Copy. Shit. I can't keep up with you guys. I'll get it in later. 7-day water fast. Ugh. No, thank you. I'm too fat for that, man. I'm too reliant on food. Food is so good. Philly said, my guess is I don't give a F, so I'm going 87,000, period. Okay. Zhao. I think Waterfly was in there. I might have missed him. Shanamac and Waterfly. Copy. I got Zhao and Philly. Yep. Mr. Robbers. Copy. Okay. So far, so good. Philly's like still processing the fact that WF Capital went to the Dominican Republic. He's like, wait a minute. Are you for real? Did you said, LOL, sorry, Alan, we submitted close to the same, guess near the same. Pussy. I'm not a pussy. I like food, man. I'm more of a cow than a pussy. Pig, maybe? I've never seen a pussy that likes food. I've seen this meme recently where it's like a fat like mouse or something. And it's just like standing there all fat. And it has like food on its face and it goes, now I just need something savory. I'm like, damn, that's me. Like every time I eat something, I'm like, oh, I need to balance it out now. Billy, what are you sharing? If that link is fucked up, I'm gonna have to unmod you. Did you say I forgot the 0 after my 5, JJ? I got you. I got you. Just in time, too. 33 seconds remaining. And here comes Hoffs. Right at the last second. Interesting. Is Fahid in here? Yes, he is. First guess. Hell yeah. Janix is putting 0.12 on his. I don't see your guess, Janix. Time's up. Time is up. Oops. All right, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let me just make sure that I'm good. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. Yeah, Janix, all I got from you was 0.12. I'll put it on there. Because, I mean, you might get it. Like, legit. All right. And it was within the time. So we got all 10 guesses. It is currently 6:55 p.m. Or 6:56 p.m. now. We got 4 minutes remaining. Let me put these bad boys in order. We got 87,276, 87,333. 87,350. 87 even. Okay. 87,176. 87,511. Ooh, look at that big red wick. 511. Okay, very bullish for Waterfly. 87,207. Copy. 87,648. Copy. This is more bullish than Waterfly. 87,311.11. Copy. And Janix with 12 cents. Okay. Billy said, JJ, I would never share bogus links. It's the latest Lark Davis show. I realized after I said, too, that it's a YouTube link, so YouTube is not going to put something out there that's stupid. Digi said, wouldn't that be something if everyone but Janix was over? Right? It's possible, man. It's possible. Hoff said, the 1 minute is consolidating. Check that. It just got wicked, candle down. Yep. Janix said, check Discord. Okay. Okay, it is time-stamped. So Janix is getting in, actually, with his guess. 87,301 and 12 cents. All right. Thank you, Janix. All right, we got the update. Everyone is fully submitted and ready to go. Okay. Let's see. Hoff's Mr. Roberts said Janix with the strategic bid. I like it. Janix is trying to put himself on the board. He's got a couple of wins already. We got 1 minute, 25 seconds remaining on the clock. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Hoff said Janix MacGyvered that shit. That's the way you got to do it, man. The way you got to do it. You don't want to know how he probably did that? With a PC. All right, here we go. This is it. The final minute. I was gonna falsetto the final countdown, but I can't. There's no way it would have come out with no sound. 50 seconds left on the clock. This is the candle that will determine the fate of the winner. Current trading price $87,245.29. If it were to close right here, The winner would be Shanomac. Interesting. Very, very interesting. 15 people watching. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. 28 seconds left on the clock. 87,255 and 10 cents. Very close to Fahid's bid. If we reach the top of this candle, it will be just over, which is perfect. Mr. Roberts said, y'all remember MacGyver? 10 seconds remaining. Here it goes. 87,281 and 98 cents. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Fahid takes another win, tying it up with Hoffs. The daily close, 87,281 and 98 cents. Very close. Quite impressive, actually. Congratulations, Fahid. 98 cents. 87,281 and 98 cents. An astounding comeback from Fahid. Closest without going over. Absolutely killing it. Absolutely killing it. Let's see. Did he win yesterday too? Fahid won yesterday. 2 in a row from Fahid. Waterfly and Hoffs need to up their game, my friends. Hoffs is going to say, I got 2 in a row, but that's not true because there's a day in between where nobody won. Waterfly did get 2 in a row. February 25th and 26th was Waterfly. Hoffs got February 27th. February 28th, nobody won. Everybody was way too bullish, and I got to take the $100 home. February 29th doesn't exist. March 1st, Hoffs won, which is his second win, technically in a row, but he did not win the day prior. And then Janix won March 2nd, and Fahid takes 3rd and 4th for Canada. Maybe the tariffs are being rolled back. Congratulations, Fahid. Absolutely killing it. And your prize, guys, spam the bananas. Spam the bananas in the chat. Drum roll, please. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the ultimate prize for the daily close contest. Fahid winning 2 days in a row. He gets a plate of Vienna sausages with a little Roma tomato or whatever, and some garnish. Do enjoy your Vienna sausages, Fahid. Congratulations for killing it. Fahid actually informed me yesterday after he took his half a dozen eggs home that he was able to sell them for a fortune and purchase the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Congratulations, Fahid, for winning the daily close contest. You did it. I always believed in you. There we go. And Bitcoin's looking good. Looking good. Waterfly said, those are the gay sausages. I should have done maple syrup or something. That would have been funny. All right. Let me check the chat. Oak Tree said, fuck. Sheena Meg said, no! Mr. Roberts said, I got a stick of gum and a shoelace, and I'm about to solve world hunger as we speak. Right. Waterfly said, I got to stop putting in so early. Let's see. You guys were cheering yourselves on. Janik said, good guess, good game. Alan said, woo! Digi spammed bananas. Oak Tree said, insider Fahid. Fahid has scared me more than anybody with his guesses being so close, because if he nails it, I have to pay him $100. And he almost nails it every single time he guesses. It freaks me out. Mr. Roberts said, Fahid representing the North. The North remembers. Ooh, that's going to be relevant now with the tariffs. Especially if they roll the tariffs back. Damn, the North remembers. Fahid said, LOL. Philly said, my guess, Zhao got it. Fahid said, yes, Mr. Roberts. Mr. Roberts spammed some bananas. Hoff said, yep, insider trading. Doge will be looking into this. Philly said, Fahid representing the 401. Fahid said, LOL, 401. Philly said, Fahid won. What's this bubble bullshit? I don't know what he's talking about. Waterfly said, those are the gay sausages. Philly said, JJ, what dates were my wins? I think I had like 2. I will check. Mr. Robert said, are Vienna sausages tariff now? I don't know. Are they from one of the tariffed countries? So Kyra said, did you run your 5K today? I did not. Not yet. I'm sick right now. I have not touched my treadmill. Philly said, Fahid, for your prize, you'll need to bend over. Mr. Philly also said, robbers, no, Vienna sausages are terrified. Okay. Enjoy your prize, Fahid. I'm gonna inflation, they're gonna shrink a little bit. I got a little bit of shrinkflation here. It's cold. Bitcoin's currently trading at $87,088. Very nice. Down less than 1%. Market's looking relatively healthy. Got some good action going on right now. Let me just check my trades. Make sure I'm not losing a ton of money. All right. So, since the market's pretty chill, pretty tame at the moment, it's interesting to see what ones are turning green. We got Link was on the list of Made in America coins. I don't know if Near's on there. We know for sure Link is. We know for sure Ondo and HBAR and Cardano and Solana and XRP. XRP and Solana are the only ones that aren't green at the moment. Interesting. All right, so we got our list of Made in America coins. I was going to look something up for somebody. What was I going to look up? Somebody mentioned something earlier, and I said, I'll look that up after the daily close. And I don't remember what it was. Yep, no idea. I guess if you guys remember, let me know. So, the Cointelegraph, we want to build our portfolio. Let's do a quick portfolio update, because we have slightly recovered from yesterday's dump-a-thon, if you will. So, our 1K to 10K Grok portfolio is still down $50, but $50 is really not that big of a deal. That's about 5%. So, portfolio is looking okay. This is our, we kind of DCA'd during the dip, if you will. Our Memecoin portfolio is still down. It's now down over $150. SNEK is still leading the pack, followed by WIF and Doge. Giga and Pepe are the only reason why it's down. Actually, that's not true. SNEK, okay, so SNEK is just down the least. Oh no, yeah, that is true. So yeah, Giga and Pepe are the only reason why it's down. Doge and WIF are up less than 1%, and SNEK is up 3.6%. So it's looking good. We're gonna add a new portfolio, going over just these 5 categories mentioned by Cointelegraph in this very lovely list. Bitcoin's starting to look a little recovery-ish at the moment. Well, shit. Philly said Near can suck my D. I got liquidated 1,400. Damn, Philly, what the hell? All right, let's see. HBAR's up 1.48%, looking a little pumpy. ADA's up 1.85%, looking a little pumpy. What else do we got? Do we have news coming out or something? All right, so Cointelegraph, we got AI DeFi, like AI agents. RWA, I guess a stablecoin. So we're only going to have 4 in here. We're not going to put a stablecoin in the portfolio. That'd be silly. Altcoin-based staked crypto ETFs. So we'll do the coins that have ETFs live trading. Probably just ETH and Bitcoin. And then meme coins. Okay, so in lieu of the stablecoin, we'll do Bitcoin. For the ETF, we'll do ETH. And then we'll pick a meme coin, we'll pick an RWA coin, and we'll pick an AI agent. Hoff said Trump is on TV tonight at 9. Okay, that should be exciting. I wonder what we'll get out of that. Tonight at 9. Do we know what he's talking about? All right, so let's do a new portfolio. And we got to do easily enter and track your holdings in under 5 minutes. Okay. Portfolio name. Let's call it the narrative portfolio. Continue. Okay, so let's do this. Instead of the regulations in the ETF one, let's do gaming. And what's the other one? There's RWA. And something else. Categories. DPIN, that's what it is. Decentralized Physical Infrastructure. Okay, so let's go DPIN. Let's just do the top ones. Top market cap. Is that dumb? No, let's do it. Let's do Tau. And we'll do $100 of each coin. Edit portfolio. How do I add coins? There we go. Okay, Tau. How much is Tau? Is $289. Oops. Okay, so we need 0.34 Tau, 0.345. Okay. There we go. $100 worth of Tau. All right. Add, not a wallet. Nope. Add coin. All right. So then we're going to go to gaming. Immutable X, Gala, Axie. What do we do for gaming? I'm going to go between Immutable X and Gala, really. Should we just do Gala? The market cap is crazy small. Let's see. Alan said, or no, Mr. Roberts said, any Canadian that wants to become a 51st state. Alan said, LOL, touche. Mr. Roberts said, right on my neighbor. Hoff said, he addresses Congress. Billy said, Trump at 9. What topic? Okay. And Mr. Roberts said, JJ, are you going to live trade? Was chatting and missed your commentary. I am not going to live trade today because I'm sick and I'm effed up. Alan said, Mana gonna pump later this year. Okay, should we do Decentraland? I like the market cap. Let's do Decentraland. Let's do that for Alan. Okay, so the price right now is 0.277. So 100 divided by 0.277. We need to get 361 mana. Okay. All right, then we got RWA. There we go. HBAR's RWA, really? Do we have Chainlink in our other portfolio? I don't think we do. We do not. Okay, so would that be dumb? Is Chainlink too big of a market cap? I feel like Chainlink's too big. So let's do... I like Ondo. How is Ondo RWA? Financial service company that aims to create global market for tokenized securities. Okay. So Ondo is RWA. That's perfect. Do we have Ondo in our other portfolio, though? We do. Okay, so I'm not going to do Ondo. Shit. VeChain just partnered with Dana White, so that might be a big one. VeChain, RWA. Yeah, let's do VeChain. 0.0273. $3,663. Okay. And then we do need an AI agent specifically. This one might be a little more complicated to get. In the list, they mentioned Fetch AI. So maybe we'll just go with that. It's just Fetch AI. Let's see if we can add it here. No. Shit. I don't know how we're going to find it. We got ChatGPT AI. Well, that sucks. Nope. How do I just see AI agent coins? Is that a thing? It's pretty niche. I really want to be able to get one, though. Nothing. Let's see if we can just find it here. Near, render, those aren't AI agents. It's just FET. Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Let's just do that. Yeah. Okay. I think that's... Yeah, Fetch AI, Singularity, and Ocean Protocol merge. Okay, that's what that is. Okay, cool. Let me check the chat. Mr. Roberts coming in with a $25 donation. Thank you very much, Mr. Roberts. Thoroughly appreciate you. You've been incredibly generous with your donations. Anyone else want to see JJ trade live? JJ, I don't mean to put you on the spot, but this donation is all for the fun, good sir. I appreciate you, Mr. Roberts. We can live trade. Mr. Roberts said, JJ, are you going to live trade? Alan said, man, I got a pump this year. Waterfly said, good night, JJ. Feel better. Thank you, Waterfly. Take it easy. Have a good night. Philly said, JJ, if you look at Solana on the daily, what do the two huge train tracks mean? Two huge train tracks on Sol on the daily. That's just bearish engulfing. So you had a huge bullish candle, and then it got eaten up, which is just a bearish engulfing candle. So the wicks on the bottom, though, these are telling of like buying power. Like people are buying it up. So, I mean, I would just call it manipulation at the end of the day, if we're being real. Yeah, I don't know. I'll live trade because you guys are sending me money for it, but I don't know how successful I'm gonna be. There's not a lot going on in the market. Like even now, it's been 20 minutes and everything's moved less than 1%, and I don't crank up my leverage because that's how you get liquidated. You got to be patient in a market like this. All right. So we got artificial superintelligence, which is 5850. So 100 divided by 585. We need 170 of these. All right, so we got 4 out of the 5. And the last one's meme coins. So what's our top meme coin? Just Doge? Do we have Doge? We do have Doge. Let's do Pepe. How many zeros is that? 6? We need 142 million Pepe. Hey. Okay. Oh. Okay, clearly that math was incorrect. Yeah, there we go. That's $1? Where? I'm confused. That'll be $10. Yeah, okay. And this should be $100. So I just maybe dragged my cursor a little bit too much. There we go. Okay, so yeah, we got 5 assets, $500 total. This is our narrative portfolio. We got Pepe for a meme coin. We got Decentraland for gaming. We got VeChain for, what is that, DPIN? Tau and AI. Okay, so we got DPIN, RWA, and then AI. Or maybe the other way around. RWA and DPIN. I don't know, but you get the point. So we'll see how good this portfolio does along with the other two. Okay. Let's see. We got HBAR. HBAR is making moves. Hello? My computer's frozen. There we go. Okay. Okay. I woke up this morning and I had like 5 or 6 text messages from this number claiming to be Microsoft. And they're like, somebody accessed your thing. Click on this link. And I was like, okay. It's been a long time since I've gotten something like that, but it did happen. All right. Introduction to assets. Why do I need all of that? You're aware that I have an account here. Okay. So it's hard to get a read on where we're gonna go. The fractal actually looks pretty good. This is like $12 USA. Did you said market so sideways for live trading? Mr. Roberts said, I know. LOL. Hoff said he should long today. Mr. Roberts said, yeah, Hoffs, I think a long is the play. Shana Max said, facts. JJ, it's rigged. It really is. Alan said, Doge will be a currency on the eventual Mars colony. Mr. Roberts said, Alan, so true. Digi said, I'm all in Doge right now. Mr. Roberts said, I have a decent bag of Doge from a while back. Fingers crossed for $1 this cycle. Digi said, my when Doge first started running, I think it was around like 15 cents. My fiance was like, you should buy some. And I was like, yeah, but it might be done running already. And then it went up to like 76 and I was like, shit. She's never let me live that down ever since. But because that happened. Whenever she tells me to do something now in crypto, I do it. Okay, render's getting a little dumpy. See, something like this, Ondo, whenever it gets down here, it looks like a good long opportunity because those have been wicks every single time. Nothing's really moving. That's what really sucks. I don't know what happens in the middle of the week. The daily close just turns into like the biggest snooze fest. And even right here, like we just recovered this. That just bounced back. Why did that happen? I have no idea. I'm assuming the rumor that tariffs are going to roll back. I doubt that they're going to announce that tonight, though. But we'll see. Maybe Trump addressing Congress will be bullish. Don't forget to congratulate Fahid, guys. Smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Let's see. All right. Live trade, live trade. Yeah, let me go to CoinMarketCap and do the exchange thing. Find BitUnix. And let's see what they have to offer. On the lower end, I want to go, let's go low market cap. Are they sorted by market cap? I'm assuming they're sorted by market cap. We got Gala. Okay. I like Gala. Gala might be a good one. Curve. Fart coins on there. Grass. This one was a big one for a minute. This is kind of like what the same thing that Pi is doing. That Grass did. Alchemist AI. This one, Chain GPT. This one drives me crazy. They're like, oh, you could buy enough, and then you can have access to Chat GPT or something like that. And it's like you have to own like $500 worth or something ridiculous. I'm like, why wouldn't you just pay for Chat GPT? Cosmos? Oof, I forgot about Cosmos. Man, they got buried, didn't they? Damn. We got Book of Meme. All right, let's go take a look at Gala. Okay. What time frame am I on? This thing's in my way. 15-minute. It looks like it wants to reverse. Yeah. This right here eventually grinds up. And we are kind of at a low point right now. It's on the 15-minute. What else do we got? ENS, Scroll Swarms, Neo. I haven't heard of Neo in forever. Let's see what Sol and Ada are up to. HBAR. HBAR has been kind of an anomaly the past day or two. Because it did, like, it dumped, but it retraced. It started retracing early. So something tells me people are maybe accumulating HBAR. Let's go do HBAR. See, but is it topped out and gonna dump soon? It's very, it looks like it wants to go up, which is weird. Kind of looks similar to this, but this just kind of kept hitting the top side and then eventually broke down and busted up. I don't want to do that. That looks like shit. That does not look like a fun time. Yep, I think it's gonna go up. Let's do it. Oh, did it just set a limit? Ew. Okay. Here we go. I'm hesitant. I don't trade high leverage and I don't trade lower time frames. It looks like it wants to go up, but it also looks like it's going to reject. Let's see. Digi said, is there any way I can turn my Doge into passive income while I wait for it to hopefully pump? You can provide liquidity on a DEX. Mr. Roberts said, I imagine you can stake it, but I don't mess with that sort of thing. So I don't know for sure. Digi said, I've never attempted staking yet. Doge is not proof of stake. Doge is proof of work. So you would have to find a DEX that offers Doge trades, and you're just providing liquidity. But then there's a risk of slippage, but you will earn yield on your Doge over time. Alan said, HBAR gonna moon. It's the New World Order coin. Hoff said the market is going to moon by the time he figures out a trade. You guys put me on the spot, and I feel like shit right now. Jay Benaby said, sup, man? What's going on, Jay Benaby? Hoff said, market smash. Mr. Roberts said, the only thing I've ever staked is tomatoes in the garden. Digi said, JJ looks like you longed at a possible demand zone on HBAR. I haven't actually opened my position yet. See, it's got this rising, it's almost like a rising wedge, which is usually bearish. But it's also got like a trajectory that it's curling up. And then in the past, it's had this kind of horizontal resistance set up, but it still has to go touch that. That's where the lower time frame, higher leverage trade comes in. Shannon Max said, I lost money on ETH and got it back staking. Nice. Digi said, oh, never mind then. I have no idea what it's going to do. We did have a Head and Shoulders breakdown right here on the lower time frame, and it played out beautifully. And it's kind of retracing that now, which is nice. But it's got to get back above this horizontal resistance, which is the only thing that I'm really concerned about. Yeah, see, Bitcoin's turning red, which is going to drag everything down with it. I don't know, man. I already owe you guys 25 bucks worth of live trading. Now I owe you another 25. So I owe you guys a $50 live trade. I just really, I don't want to force myself to open a trade just because everyone's, wants to watch me trade live. There's nothing to trade. HBAR is the only thing that looks like it wants to move right now, and it's starting to undo its move. So we got an hour and a half until Trump's on TV, apparently. We might be just making the lower wick before the candle body goes up. See, CAS is down over 1%, SWE's down over 1%. Sol's down 1% now. SNEK is down 1.2%. Is it reversing? I don't know. But it definitely ain't freaking moving. I'll tell you that much. Mr. Roberts said, JJ, honestly, I didn't mean to add stress by calling out a live trade. You're the one with the balls to go live on YouTube. I appreciate it. Well, I mean, you sent me money to live trade. I don't want to just take your fucking money. That's stupid. Huff said, Aptos is good to trade in Asia. Shane Max said, Chainlink, JJ. All right, let me see Chainlink. What's Chainlink doing? Ooh. This is a lot of indecisive candles right here. And even right here, this is very indecisive for trades. It looks like some volatility because of that, though. Some nice random wicking candles. See, it's starting to come down now, though. Offset Aptos. I haven't heard about Aptos in some time. $5.45 on Aptos at the moment. Ooh, it is kind of sitting at a bottom, it looks like. Potentially. That actually might not be bad. Kind of like that. Jesus. Oh, I'm on the daily. Oh, Jesus. Okay, nice green candle right there. Some upside. See, this changes the whole dynamic when you switch to the 4-hour because the candle bodies are different. So you got nice support right here. It broke through for a minute, got back above right there and retested. And then right here, wicked below once, held it the second time, held it the third time, held it here. See if the market actually started moving. Aptos looks like it could potentially be bottomed. I'm fully expecting this, if it doesn't spring up from here, to probably do one of these and then go up to set up that funky inverse head and shoulder pattern, because it is just the 15-minute. Apparently there's not a lot of 15-minute volume on OKX. What the hell? I thought OKX was a big exchange. Yeah, see, it did something similar here. So it's just setting up that same thing. And that's I think the problem. Most of the market's in the middle of this chop scenario. Look at Shrap is up 3% out of nowhere. Or is that for the 15-minute? Is that what that is? Or is Shrap actually up 3%? Tyler said, did you see Michael Saylor's joining the White House meeting? Yes, I did. Shrap is up 5% in this candle. Damn. Okay. Interesting. HBAR. See, HBAR ate that entire pump right there. Gone. It didn't even hit the resistance. Interesting. All right. Hoff said use Binance. Binance. Here we go. Okay. 15-minute. My ear's popping now. Damn it. Are you on log scale or something? Right there? That's not bad. Let's see. Sitting on the trend line. Alan said, is Aptos L1? I checked, it is. Nice. Tyler said, did you see Michael Saylor? Yeah. Tyler, also, there's a rumor now that Trump might roll back the tariffs tomorrow on Canada and Mexico, which would be exciting. That would be very exciting for the market. 545. Oh, Hoffs likes to use Wix, maybe. Maybe that's what it is. That's not bad either. Taylor said I got more auto at 89 cents. Steel. Nice. Yeah, nothing looks bad. It's just, I don't know. I don't see anything worth trading. Nothing has moved more than 1%. And we're lucky if we get 1%. So Bitcoin, is this going to be support because of back here? Or is it going to break down to here again? Because that does have a inverse head and shoulder vibe. Gosh, I haven't looked at the 15-minute in so long. Okay, so I'm seeing this literally repeat itself upside down. And then it falls back into the median. Where is it going to go? Yep, it's breaking down. Okay, so I'm wondering if Bitcoin's going to come back down and touch this 85.3 level. Maybe that's what I should do. I should just trade Bitcoin. Tyler said pin link. I'm shorting. Yep. Come on, baby. Don't tell me that's actually a trend line. See, now it's just a waiting game. All right. Let's close that. Go back to Bitcoin. See, it's wicking below. We got less than 1 minute until close. 53 seconds remaining. Mr. Roberts said, I like the call on just trading Bitcoin. OG move. I don't normally trade Bitcoin either. It's just easier to trade it though. It moves. It's It's like shooting at a train versus a bicycle. The train's a lot easier to hit. Tyler said, "What's up? What's up? What's going on, Tyler? Let's go check on Pinlink. 22 seconds remaining. I'm in the 16th, like, with 15 people in here. Nice. Where is Pinlink? Pinlink is right here. Oh, fuck. See, I think it closed right at that trend line. It's gonna go up now. Motherfucker. Yep. I'm not doing it. $86,658. See if it continues down though. 24,120. Where did it close? Closed at 24,074. Yep. Yep. That was probably the bottom. I'll take it. I'll do the long. Oh, fucking HBAR. Tyler said, JJ, did you short? I had a little short open. Everybody wants to watch me live trade, but there's nothing happening. Mr. Roberts said, I need to visit the shed for a spell. If y'all are gone by the time I get back, I wish the best for y'all. Take it easy, Mr. Roberts. We'll probably see you when you get back. I don't know. Is it gonna get eaten up? Yeah, this is the part that we need background music on. We're kind of just sitting here. I could open up a trade and then we can reference it tomorrow, maybe. If I end up closing it, I can save the little tag thingy. But I'm not a 15-minute trader. I'm really not. I'm liking all the wicks that we got to the downside though. The wicks to the downside have me a little bit hopeful, but it's been so volatile lately. You know what I mean? It's hard to gauge what's going on with the volatility. I don't know if you guys saw Becker's video, dude. Becker freaked out in his latest video. Like, he was tripping. Did you said MACD showing downtrend on HBAR 5-minute? It's back to even. Oh, yep. I'm not fucking trading. I'm not live trading, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not doing it. With this fucking chop. That's why I took profit on my trading portfolio. Because I knew that this was gonna be a fucking mess. I don't know if the whatever the fuck you need for short-term trading. It's like a psychosis inducing. Did you said MACD showing downtrend on HBAR 5-minute. Hoff said it's back to even. It was up 60%. Just put in a trade and leave a stop loss. Well, then what's the point of the 15-minute time frame? I like to babysit my trades. I do like to set up stop losses, but I'm not just going to throw money away. You know what I mean? Squeeze down more. That would have been a nice short. See, when you get to the point where you're like fishing for 1% moves, you're probably forcing trades.
and I'm not I'm not in the habit of doing that. I was once upon a time. This is a nice indecisive candle, but it's probably signaling a reversal, which sucks. We got the same one right here, though, and that led to a pretty decent uptrend. That was the announcement, though. We'll see if anything happens at 9:30. We got hour and 40 minutes. I don't know. Something tells me nothing's gonna happen, but we'll see. We're kind of all just waiting for Friday. Yep, ADA's down 2%. SNEK's down 3. Yeah, it looks like we're getting a reversal, trend reversal at the moment. Not sure how long it's gonna stay that way though. Total 3. I don't know. It's like we're in limbo right now. I don't know if we're going up or down. I don't know if we're gonna be bullish or bearish. I got no clue. Every once in a while, my browser like resets its thing, and it gets like really confusing because I think that my internet goes out. Yeah, there's no trend here. I mean, kind of. See, it's still sitting above that, which is good. Yeah, I don't think that there's anything to be done. At least not right now. Not while I'm on. Not while I'm live. Bitcoin dominance. It's trying to stay up. It's still got that upwards trajectory. I don't know, man. I don't know. Something tells me the rest of the week's gonna be either choppy or just like a slow grind up. And again, that could be my bullish bias, but if if anything happens with tariffs tomorrow, we're probably going to explode to the upside if it is him rolling back tariffs. But I'm not holding my breath for that because we've seen them manipulate the markets now. I guess my main thing is waiting until Friday for something to happen. If I find trades in between now and then, I'll probably take them, but that was one of my biggest hurdles to get over in between the last bull market and this one is you don't always have to be in a trade, and you should not force trades. When you figure that out, you'll save yourself a lot of money because when you force something that isn't there, you are probably going to screw yourself. And it makes you have less conviction in the trade as well when you're unsure of it. And all of that is just a recipe for disaster on every level. So find your time frame, be comfortable with it, stick with it. Look at this. We're 10 minutes into the 15-minute candle and it's still completely flat. It's definitely not a trader's market right now. At least not a short-term trader's market right now. Offset, I normally just put in a trade and put in a stop loss below the wicks. I never win either. Yeah, dude, stop losses can be brutal because you just my worst thing, the one thing that still sucks like till this day is I'll be like chilling or whatever. I'm like sitting on the couch and I'll check the chart on my phone, look at it on my laptop and whatever, and then I'm like I see the prices moving up and I'm like hell yeah, I'm in a long right now, and I'm just watching this gigantic green candle. And I'm like, this is sick. I got to see how much I'm in profit. And I look and I have no trades open. And I'm like, what the fuck? I don't know what, like some wires get crossed in my brain. And I don't have any trades. And the price goes up. And my brain is like, yeah, you have a long open. You're good. Don't worry about it. I'm like, hell yeah. And then I check and I don't have a trade. And I'm like, what the fuck, man? And the brain's like, I mean, I'm you, so it's not my fault. It's like the biggest self-troll ever. It's bullshit, man. Yeah. Dude, Cass is just getting slaughtered. Polkadot is on the list of American-made coins, though. We do have a potential 3 hits to the downside. I think I talked about this with some... Actually, I think it was Polkadot, wasn't it? It was. I think it was when this was happening. 1, 2, 3. Or maybe it was this. 1, 2, 3. And then this shook everyone out. And it just went. Is that what it was? When was this? September? August? September? Yeah, because this is when I started streaming in September. So it had to have been this. And I kept talking about it. I do like the 3 hits to the downside. I said that 1,000 times. And then it exploded. Why didn't I take that trade? It literally looks like it's just doing this again. But like maybe on a smaller scale. Said the worst is when you put a limit order in and you thought it opened and you entered the price wrong. I've also seen it where like the wick doesn't fill all the limit orders. So like let's say you have an order here to buy 1 Bitcoin when it hits 80,352 and 49 cents. But there's a guy that put his order in. Let's say I put my order in like an hour before you. Maybe it goes down there and it's only one guy selling 1 Bitcoin. So I get my order filled, but you don't get your order filled. And it still wicks past that. Or not even past that, it just touches it. So then you wake up and you're like, oh sweet, it touched my order. And then you look and your order never filled. I've seen that happen before too. Which is crazy. Because that just means that many people like bought it up that fast. Probably bots, but it's still kind of impressive. All right, fellas. I'm going to go get some food and probably go to bed. My brain is melting. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Smash the like button. Like I said, I owe you guys a couple of live trades, but you know, I'm not going to try to force anything. When there are live trades to be had, I will live trade. But until then, I appreciate you guys for watching. Happy Tuesday. Hopefully we get some sick tariff news tomorrow. And we'll see what news comes out at 9:30 today. But smash the like button on your way out. I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.